Helping feels noble. Helping feels right. Helping can also quietly delay your destiny. Peach blossom people help naturally. You don't plan it. You don't circulate. You don't calculate it. Someone needs support. You step in. You tell yourself, never mind lah. Small things only I can handle. Next things you know, you are handling everyone except your own life. Helping is not the problem. Unfiltered helping is. When peach blossom is strong, helping becomes reflex. And reflex has no direction. You help people think, you help people decide, you help people calm down. And at the end of the day, everyone moves forward except you. So here's the uncomfortable truth. Every time you help without intention, you borrow time from your own destiny. Well, just a bit, but consistently. And that's why peach blossom people often feel this strange tension. I'm doing good things, so why am I not where I want to be yet? You're not blocked, you are just diverted. Helping pulls you into other people's timelines. The more people you help, the more paths you walk that are not yours. And destiny needs focus, not generosity. So you see, in period 9, the world rewards clarity, not kindness alone, not effort alone, clarity. And if your help isn't aligned, you scatter your future. So helping should support your path, not replace it. You don't stop helping, but you help selectively. So if you have peach blossom and feel like life keeps borrowing you, subscribe to this channel. This is where we talk about helping with direction, so destiny can finally catch up. You see, helping is beautiful, but destiny doesn't run on kindness alone.